Happy Monday! Welcome back to Calendar. It is Monday, the 22nd of March. And if we check it out, we do technically have another week in March, but let me tell you a secret. That week is spring break. We won't be here. This is our last full week in March that we'll be together. Then we get a week off from school, and I won't see you back until April. So this is our last week in March together. It is Monday, the 22nd of March. Do you remember how to spell Monday? Monday. Today is Monday. It is Monday. Ooh, today I'm going to show you some time on the analog clock and see if you can write what that time is on the digital clock. Are you ready? Hip hop, hip hop. It's Can you tell what time it is? Did you say it's 3 o'clock? Our hour hand was pointing at the 3. Our minute hand is all the way up at that 12. It's the top of the hour, so it is 3 o'clock. Ooh, maybe tomorrow I'll show you a digital, but I think maybe on Wednesday I'm going to say a time and see if you can show it on both of the clocks. Ooh, I might get a little trickier. Okay, let's check out what our number is on this fine March day. Ooh, today we have the number 73. 73. So for 73, we start with 7. And then that TY, because it's 70. 73. That's one of our number words. That's our sight word, THREE, 3, 73. It's a 2-digit number. That means it's going to tell us how many tens and how many ones. So look at that 2-digit number. How many tens are in 73? Did you say 7 tens? What about those ones? How many ones then? 7 tens, 3 ones. Okay, see if you can draw to show those base 10 blocks. Give you a few more seconds to work on yours. Then we'll see if you did it. 73. Did you show 7 tens, 3 ones? So if we make it in expanded form, we think about those 7 tens as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Plus how many ones? 3. That was a kind of crazy 70. Let me try that again. 70 plus 3. A lot better when I don't write it sideways and upside down. 70 and 3 more. Okay, so 73 is our number. Let's think 1 less. That would be like taking away a 1, right? Then we would have 72. Yeah, it comes right before 72. What would 1 more be? It would be like me adding 1 more. 74. 72, 73, 74. Very nice. Okay, now we got to think about those 10 less, right? 10 less. If this is 73, it's like me taking away one of those 10s. Whoosh. If I hide 1, then I only have 63. Right? When we think about that on our hundreds chart, 10 less is always right above. 10 more is always right below, right? That's why we make it this way. So if I have 10 more, like another group. One more from 7 is 8, so it should be 83, right? 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. We could just keep on going. So 10 more is like 7. One more would be 8. 10, so it is 83, right? Our 1s aren't changing there because it's like we're messing with our 10s. We're adding 10 more or taking away a group of 10. Very good. Okay. How many days have we been in school? More than 120. On Friday, it was the 124th. I see we had 100, 2 10s, and 4 1s. We're going to add 1 more. So remember, I'm adding it to the 1s. I don't have to worry about those right now. What is 4 plus 1 more? Did you say 5? We do have 5 1s now. We still have our 2 10s and our 100. So we have 100. Remember, if I cover up the 100, I can think about what's there. 25. 125. It's the 125th day of first grade. That should fill up our row here. We do have a row of all 5 filled up now. It is 125th day. We are 125 days smarter. Okay, 125. To make our piggy bank happy today, he would like 81 cents. So we can do this a couple of ways, right? We could start with our dimes, right? What do we know about our dimes? Each dime is worth 10 cents. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. I don't have enough fingers. Okay, so we want to count by 10s. I see it should be, get us to 80, 10, 20, 30, 40. We could think about that should be 8 10s, right? If these are worth 10, we should have 8 of them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 8 10s. What would I need to do then to get one more if it's 81? A penny, 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 easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Very good. So we could do 8 dimes. What if I wanted to trade some dimes for 2 quarters? How many dimes would that be? 2 quarters is 50 cents. So I could take away 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5 dimes away. We could have 2 quarters, 3 dimes, and a penny. I do remember. What if I trade, how many nickels equal a dime? 2 nickels, right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we could do 2 quarters, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. Could I trade these 2 dimes and a nickel for another quarter? Right? That would give us our 75 cents. 75. 5 more gets us to that 80, right? We did that. That was the least amount of coins to get 80. Then our 1 more penny. This is the least amount of coin ways. But all the other ways were ways too. Great work. I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday's calendar.